Vando, what a hit for?
Hey man, it's Worker Lee, aka C-Easy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So let me go ahead and take this off. As you guys can tell by the title, we have the Little Tekka X Worldwide Youth Collab. I'm gonna touch maybe a little bit on the resale predictions. I've looked on Grail. Not a lot of people are going for reselling. Not a lot of people are trying to resell the pieces. So maybe there might be a little bit of an opportunity, but I'm gonna focus more on the personal use. And if you guys have not been staying in tune with the Easy Resale page, I have listed a few items for sale. They're on the smaller side. So like I got 2 items that are small and I got 1 item that's a medium. And with the items, like I'm gonna be throwing in little extra things like from the second week, I think no, from the first week Supreme, I copped an item. That video is coming soon. I'm gonna throw in some of these items. They gave like some gloves and a few stickers. You have a little box logo, like the Verify one, and then you have this one over here. It's a Supreme New York. I know y'all can see that right there. Yeah, and I'm just gonna be throwing in those pieces. So if you wanna go ahead and buy the pieces, they are pretty nice. You can not only get that, you will get an extra little items. Just cause I don't want them, I'm not gonna use them. So I might as well give them to whoever's gonna purchase these items. And also, if you guys not know, my V-Loan piece from Nav did come in. I'm very happy about that. However, I have been hearing some like iffy news with it. So essentially, like a lot of people have been messaging me, or like I could say like a few. Some person got the wrong size, like they ordered an XL, they ended up getting a medium. Another person said that for his Nav X Good Intentions All Over hoodie, that for one, it was a cropped hoodie. It wasn't the regular hoodie, and it didn't have any drawstrings. So like literally, bro, mine is right here, and I'm kind of just waiting to get a haircut before I open it up. I've had a package for like a week, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but now like I'm kind of nervous because like if they give me like the wrong size, or if it's missing or something, for one, I'm gonna be sad because I actually really did want that piece, so I went out my way to cop it for the personal. But then I'm just gonna be like, bro, like what else is V-Loan going to do wrong this year? They lying about freaking, you know, not having the original, you know, tags, and then they sending the wrong orders on top of, you already know, like the shipping and everything that's been going on, a delay. So it's just very, very weird. But I promise you, if there is a mistake, I'm probably gonna try to just get my money back, to be honest. So without further ado, I need you guys to smash up this like button, all right? And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. I got so many videos on the way. Got a lot of unboxings. Got like 3 on the way, and then I will be purchasing. I'm trying to get like a $300 mystery box, hopefully starting in like October. I'm gonna try and up it from like 3 to 4, and I'm gonna have some more mystery box online openings because y'all know I'll be having fun with that. So if you enjoy any of that, make sure that you go down below, like this video, subscribe. Anyways, let's get the video started. Alright guys, so we ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna get this recording started right now. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and I started it off in a different way. I'm gonna take a look, a few overview of the items, and this is Worldwide Youth, and I guess the owner is Virgo World. Hopefully I said that right. Cool little tags right over there. I just wanted to go ahead and, you know, put y'all on with what I'm trying to put my own self on with. All right. So now we're gonna take a look at the merch. I'm gonna go ahead and decline this real quick. Okay, so this should be all the merch. 9 pages of stuff. Okay, you're doing 4 at it. Let me go back. I'm pretty sure all of this should be on the first page. Alright, this shit is loading. There we go. So let's see how many pieces we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's start off at the bottom. They got a nice little hoodie. So we got the album cover. I'm pretty sure this is promoting his new album, Virgo World. Okay. Alright, so we got Virgo World, Our Time hoodie. Now, it's a graphics sublimated on polyfleece hoodie, digital album. There's no digital album, are only available to use customer, limited for order. I'm not gonna lie, this is tough, bro. I mean, this is a cool hoodie. Maybe I would have changed this, maybe like white or red or something. but that's definitely live. I'm curious to see how it will look, because if you guys can't tell, like, it's laid out in a certain pattern. So if it's not lined up with that pattern, I wonder how it's actually going to look, like if you were to move the arms or whatever. But first piece, but 9090 is a tough piece, but like from the looks of this, it looks like it's pretty decent quality. Like whoever they have manufacturing it, I feel like it's a nice, cool wash. I feel like it'll be really nice quality just off looking at it. Obviously, bottom and stuff, it's print, but I mean, we'll see. For those of you guys who end up copying it, I really, really do want to know how it's gonna be. Okay, then we got some track pants, like sweatpants, whatever. I mean, they're straight. Like I need to get into sweatpants, but for some reason I'm just like, bro, it's so cozy, bro. I'd much rather wear shorts. These shorts are, I mean, they're kind of tough. Those definitely look like it's gonna be good quality. Virgo World. I mean, I don't know, like this little purple bubble stuff, it's like, I don't know, like just take that off and I feel like it will be straight, you know what I mean? I'm like, just take it off, we don't need that, and it's still gonna look good. Okay, this one is cool. Our Time, it's definitely looking, this one, I mean, this one's cool. Our Time t-shirt. Our Time Virgo World 2020 low tech. See, like this, I feel like it's a very, very cool piece. Like if I was just shopping around trying to cop some pieces, I would definitely get this. And I feel like, let's say like I wanted to resell some pieces or whatever, I'd probably just like cop a few of these and sell them at like 50, 55. But this would be for like a long-term hold. Cause I like this. This is something I'll wear, bro. It's giving me like that Kanye Pablo vibes. Now this, all right, this is a bit too loud for me. The Virgo World Statue hoodie. Virgo World. I mean, the manufacturer seems like they're on point, but this is a lot. This is most definitely a lot, bro. This is, alright, please note, due to the custom dye process, each unit will be slightly different in coloration. Okay. I mean, at least they're giving you that heads up, but that this hoodie is loud, bro. So Virgo World, we got some more sweatpants. This one looks like a velvet? Maybe? It just looks like the quality for these pieces is on point. They are smart with this one. Y'all see this? This is a puzzle. Oh, that is lit. I've never seen an artist do that, but with this type of like, I guess album cover, I feel like that's smart. Like, I feel like, oh, this would be cool. And it's 500 pieces, bro. This would be cool. Like, this is something that I would just go ahead and cop just to do. You know what I'm saying? Like with my girl or something. Just go ahead and just knock out this puzzle. And I feel like this is cool. I mean, this is cool. That's creative, bro. I like, he gets points just for this one. I've never seen an artist, like, we've seen artists do like various things, like a custom, you know, shout out for like $1,000 or $10,000, like Polo G did. We've seen like stuff like that, but something like this, when it comes to like puzzles and stuff, like that's cool. Like this gets a stamp in my book for sure, especially with the album cover. Don't go doing this with every album cover, but for one like this, I feel like it's nice. Nice, cool little keychain. I'm rocking with it. It seems like this will be like just off the mock-ups and whatnot. I feel like it'll be good quality. For the back, Virgo World. Oh shoot. The piece was, alright, I'm gonna go back just to see, like, did I miss out on, okay, I ain't tripping. The other pieces did not have it. Okay, so, this is Virgo World shorts 2. Like, just the graphic or the screen printing or the dyeing or whatever is on point. These shorts are better. And it's weird because I think if it was a different, I don't know, would I rock this? Like, okay, if I rock this, I'll rock it with some type of white tee. Like, this would be like plain. I would have to get these in like short shorts, oversized like white tee, rocks and chains, something like that. I mean, it's cool. Like some of the pieces, like let's just go and do a recap over the pieces. So thus far, I mean, this is cool. I wouldn't recommend it for $90, but if you have it in a personal, I'm just like, man, it's cool. I'll definitely go for this one. I just really like it. It's different, cool, unique, simple. Puzzle. I low-key like that puzzle, I can't lie to you guys. And the keychain is cool. Okay, so we have the black Tekka hoodie. And I'm assuming this is a Virgo, like, sign. I think so. I'm going with that. Alright. I'm messing with it. Alright, and now what is this? You got a sticker pack. Straight stickers, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Puzzle's way better. You got a stress ball as well. Bro, no way. Bruh, he got stress balls and just put Virgo World Loteca. Come on, man. Okay, you got a tote bag. I'm not gonna lie, like, do y'all really be using tote bags like that? I really need to know. I don't know, like, do people really be using tote bags like that? Especially charging it for $25. Save the Virgo World, there is no planet B. Alright, I'm not messing with that row. So, and we're already at the last row. Let's go ahead and take a look at the shirt. Save the Virgo World t-shirt for $20. No planet B. This one is definitely not my favorite. I'm not messing with that. Virgo World. Save the Virgo World, there's no planet B. I'm not messing with it. There were more pieces. I guess I missed out on a few. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna give you guys my top, I guess, 3. I mean, I feel like you guys should already know it. 1, this piece over here. 2, the puzzle, and freaking 3. Nah, I mean, it's not bad. I'm not rocking with that. I'd rather get this keychain for $15. Those are my top 3, man. I don't know. I feel like I know for a fact that I missed some pieces, bro. Yeah, I know for a fact. I know for a fact that I missed some of the better pieces just because of the fact, like, what I've been seeing them promote, I guess it sold out. They were like, I know they had slides at one point. They had some various hoodies. I guess the fire pieces I missed out on. Maybe I'm just too late to the job. But from what I was seeing, that number 1 piece, I might even go ahead and copy. Like, I feel like that's a very, very nice, cool, simple piece. And depending on when it sells out, I feel like maybe it can go for resale. Obviously nothing too crazy. But other than that, I mean, the rest of the pieces I'm not really rocking with. Like the hoodies though, they have really good concept behind it, and some of the shorts, I'm rocking with that. And on top of that, looking at the pictures, at least for the pieces at the bottom, it does look like whoever's manufacturing like their clothing items, it does look like it's going to be really, really good quality, because you can just tell. Like, I can tell by like from the hoodie, that first hoodie that we looked at, I can kind of tell from like the stitching and whatnot. It looks like it's like that heavy cotton, heavy duty that's going to last. Kind of has like a wash look to it too, which I like a lot. So I mean, overall, I don't know, like, it's whatever, bro. Like, if you copy for personal, you're copying it because you like him, unless you went for, like, those pieces that I recommended, because I'm just like, that piece was actually, it was lit. But anyways, guys, I got 2 questions. 1, let me know if you cop, and then 2, how do you feel about it? Is it fire or is it trash? It's blunt like that. I need you guys to comment that. Fire or trash, okay? For me, I'm just like somewhere in between. I mean, it is what it is. If you get it, you get it. If you don't feel like you missed out. But anyways, guys, I need you guys to go ahead and smash up that like button. We need 100 likes on this video. And if you're new to the channel, what are you waiting for? Like, right now, we're getting pretty close to 3,000 subscribers. We got that major goal, bro, to 10,000 subscribers. But I need your help to go ahead and hit that goal. So make sure that you guys go ahead, tap that button, and just know that we got a lot of heat coming up on the channel, bro. I'm very, very excited for everything that is to come within the coming months. Just know that videos come up each and every single day, unless the boy need a little breather. But anyways, this is what Chris Aaliyah, aka C-Eazy, and I'm out.